Hi everyone! Superhuman came out with their new connector with Snowflake. Let's see what it's about. What's cool about this connector is that you can use the agents that you created in Snowflake in any other interfaces that you are viewing. So if you have an email that someone sent you asking what was the performance this week, you can use the AI data analysis agents that you've set up in Snowflake to answer those questions without switching tabs or signing in once again. To get this set up, there's a helpful doc on Superhuman's website to help you with that. Note that you'll need admin access or an admin on your Snowflake account to help you authenticate. And to get it to work, you'll need to have an agent already configured in Snowflake. If you need help with Snowflake agents, let us know and we have another video to walk you through that. So I've logged into my Superhuman account, and in settings, we can go to connectors under access control and search for Snowflake. And over here, you can follow the document's instructions to set up your access. Now, let me take you inside Snowflake to see what we're going to work with this time. So under here, I've set up a demo for a restaurant. This data set covers customers, orders, the different stores of a fictional restaurant, Harbor Grill. And I've created a semantic view and an agent for this hypothetical restaurant. With this agent, let me show you what it feels like in Snowflake. I'm in the preview of this agent. You can ask it questions such as, what are my best-selling items this week? And here, the agent responded as we intended it to. And let's go see what this will look like with Superhuman Go. Once you have the connector set up, you should be able to access that agent in any tab that you can use Superhuman Go in. So it will pop up as the sidebar chat. And here, you can either directly talk to the Snowflake agent or just use it in the regular chat that you're in. If this is your first time looking for where Snowflake is, you can find it in See All Agents under Agent Store and search Snowflake. Now, let's try it in real time. So I sent myself a sample email asking who are our top 10 customers by revenue. So I'm going to draft a reply and I'm going to open Superhuman Go and have it answer for me. So let's ask, check Snowflake agent, Harbor Grill agent to answer this question. So it's asking it to list agents, which then it will go find the specific agent I'm looking for. Now we can check it has found the right agent and we can double check if this is the message we want. Great. I'm going to say approve. Now this will call the same agent we were interacting with within Snowsight's web UI and answer directly in the chat. Great. Now I'm going to ask it to send response with suggested action items. Now it has drafted the response with the table that it extracted action items that we want. And once we click approve, let's refresh this thread and let's see what happened. Great. You see our reply has been sent. And that's what I like about Superhuman Go is the unlimited possibilities it unlocks when you connect all the tools you work with together in one place. Not having to switch tabs and having something to extract insights for you, draft responses for you, just saves a lot of time in your daily workflow and reduces the cost of context switching. If you are busy, you know how valuable that is. Have more fun videos on how you can use Superhuman Go coming soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm Amber Lynn from Brainforge, and we're here to make you the leader who got AI right.